Friends, today I will start with the new lesson, quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. Already we saw in the previous lesson the linear polynomial. Already we learned that what is the meaning of linear polynomial in two variable and what is the standard form of the linear polynomial in two variable and how you have to solve the linear polynomial in two variables. In the same way, you have to start with the quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. Before I will start the topic, I will clear some basic of the last years. What is the meaning of the polynomial? You know that polynomial means what is the meaning of polynomial? Polynomial means when the degree of the given expression is the whole number. What is the meaning of the whole number? You know that the number system, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers are called as the natural numbers. Whole numbers means the 0 together with the natural number. Uncountable numbers. 0 together with the natural number is called as the whole numbers. And what is my definition that you have to see? The polynomial means when the degree of the given expression is the whole number. And what is the meaning of the degree? Degree means highest index of the variable. Is called as the degree. According to that definition, I will say that when the degree of the given expression is the whole number, then the expression is called as the polynomial. Then this 3x plus 1, this is called as the polynomial because this holds only one variable and the index of the highest index of the variable, this one is the constant term, highest index of the variable is 1. So I will say that this one is the whole number. So you have to say that this is the polynomial. This is also the polynomial because the highest index of the variable is 2. Highest index of the variable is 1. Here this is the constant term. The index of the constant term is 0. So what is the meaning of the degree? The highest index of the variable is called as the degree. The degree of this polynomial is 2. So you have to say that this 2 is the whole number. 2 is the whole number. So you have to say that this is also the polynomial. Here the highest index of the variable is 3. Highest index of the variable is 1. Highest index of this constant term is 0. So you have to say that this highest index means degree of the polynomial is 3 and 3 is the whole number. That's why you have to say that this is the polynomial. Means I think that you understand the definition of the polynomial is that when the degree of the given expression is the whole number, then the expression is called as the polynomial. Is it clear? Then these polynomials are divided into the parts according to the degree of the expression. The polynomials are divided into two parts. This is the linear polynomial and another one is this is classified as the quadratic polynomial. Means you have to say that linear equation and the quadratic equation. According to the degree of the expression, according to the degree of the given expression, you will say that polynomials are divided into linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and one more part, the cubical polynomial. What is the meaning of the linear polynomial that you have to see? Linear polynomial example is 5x plus 9, 3x plus 1. Here, if we will observe the highest index of the variable, here x is the variable, the highest index of the variable is 1. Here this is the constant term. The highest index of this constant term is 0. This is in this condition you have to say that the degree of this polynomial is 1. Then if the degree of the polynomial is 1, 1 means linear, 2 means quadratic. So if the degree of the given expression is 1, then the expression is called as the linear polynomial. Then according to the degree of the polynomial, you have to test that this is the linear polynomial or not. The highest index of the variable is 1. Degree of this polynomial is 1. So you have to say that this expression, both the expressions are called as the linear polynomial. So the highest index of the variable in the above expression is the 1. So you have to say that these polynomials are called as the degree of the polynomial. These polynomials are called as the linear polynomials. Then quadratic polynomials. If you will observe the highest index of the variable, here highest index is 2, index is 1, index of the constant term is 0, index is 2, index of this term is 1. So highest index of the variable one of the variable, the highest index of the variable is 2. So you have to say that this one is called as the quadratic polynomial, this one is also called as the quadratic polynomial, and this one is also called as the quadratic polynomial. Then the highest index of the variable in the above expression is the 2. So you have to say that this expression is called as the quadratic polynomial. Means this classification is according to the degree of the expressions. Everybody understand? According to the degree of expression, polynomials are divided into two parts. One is the linear polynomial and another one is the quadratic polynomial. Friends, you have to see that according to the number of terms, the number of terms in the given expression, in which way the polynomials are classified, that you have to see. According to the number of terms, first classification is the monomial, another one is the binomial, third one is the trinomial, and the last one is the polynomial. Which are the definitions of the monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial, that you have to see. This classification is according to the number of terms. So monomial means the expression which holds only one term is called as the monomial. Here this expression holds only one term. Only one term is present here. Term means only the multiplication operation. The expression only the multiplication operation is called as the term. So you have to say that this is the one term, this one is also one term. So these expressions are called as the monomial. Then you have to come to the binomial. The expression which holds two terms. Terms are either to be added or subtracted. It's called as the binomial. Here this 3x is the one of the term, 9 is the another term, and these both the terms are joined by the addition sign. Here 3x square is the one term and 7 is the another term, and both are joined by the plus sign. So you have to say that this expression holds the two terms according to the number of terms. Don't express here the degree of the expression. Here only you have to express the number of terms. You have to say that according to the number of the terms, these expressions are called as the binomial. Here this expression holds this 9x square is the one term, another one is the 7x, and this is this last term is the 3. So this holds the three terms. So the expression which holds the three terms is called as the trinomial. And the polynomial means the expression which holds more than three terms. Here this expression holds 1, 2, 3, 4. Means more than three terms. You have to say that this expression is called as the polynomial. In some books, this definition of the polynomial is given like that. The expression which holds more than two terms is called as the polynomial. But according to the actual definition of the trinomial, you have to say that the expression which holds the three terms is called as the trinomial, and the expression which holds more than three terms is called as the polynomial. This classification is according to the number of the terms, and this classification is according to the degree of the polynomial. Everybody understand? Means first of all, before I will start this lesson, this basic concept is that definition of the polynomial, the expression in which the degree of the expression is the whole number, is called as the polynomial. Then these are the example of the polynomial. According to the degree of the expression, the polynomials are classified into the monomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and the cubical polynomials. This linear polynomial means the highest index of the variable is in the given expression is the 1, and the quadratic polynomial is highest index of the variable in the given expression, or the degree of the polynomial is already I will say that 2. It's called as the quadratic polynomial. And the polynomial according to the number of terms, I will say that this is the monomial. Monomial means the expression which holds only one term. Binomial, which holds two terms. Terms are either to be added or subtracted. I will give this, instead of this plus I will give the minus sign. So I use the letter that is either added or subtracted. Trinomial means the expression which holds three terms is called as the trinomial. The expression which holds more than three terms is called as the polynomial. I think you understand these things. Then you have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.